So I'm Jamie Slotnick. I've lived in Center City since 1991. I am 50 something.
Oh yeah?
Uh-huh. And my son Brody is going to go next. What's your name?
Brody, 14.
Brody has something called apraxia of speech, which affects 1 in 1,000. And essentially it's a neurological disorder where the brain and the lips and the teeth and the tongue don't really get along. He also has ADHD, he has significant hearing loss, but he's also an amazing kid and he's not defined by his diagnoses. So my life is really frantic, making sure that Brody's getting all the therapy that he needs. Working with experts in the medical field can be really overwhelming. This is a place where we can relax and have fun and be who we are, and I actually feel really light when I'm here. Brody is a visual learner and a kinesthetic learner. He learns by doing. I think that coming here is a little bit like therapy in a way because it puts all of these things to the test. Socialization, being able to communicate, and also receptive listening. So what are some of the things that you learned while going to these classes?
Knives.
Knife skills?
Yes.
Who taught you your knife skills?
Mark.
Mark who?
Vetri.
Wow. Not everybody can say that, right? For me, it's personal. It's a place where we get to have a shared experience with others, but also have it together. It's mother-son bonding time at its finest form. What about the friends you made?
I like all the friends.
Wait a minute. What about Jackson? And who else is there?
Boys.
Right, he brought one of his dear friends here. So that kind of kinship, when you work in the kitchen with someone, develops rather quickly, I think. Who do you love here?
Sam.
Jen. So I did want to give an authentic shout out to Jen and the entire team. I really feel like people go above and beyond for Brody and other kids in the classroom too. Very caring, very understanding, and really wanted not just Brody, but really all the younger kids to have a great experience and build that confidence. But also what I love is a change in him accepting all different kinds of people from all over the city with all different backgrounds, and just sitting down to break bread with them was just kind of like a magical thing for him to be immersed in. We're really not that different. We all have to eat. We all, if we're here, we probably enjoy eating. So already we have things in common. Because really, where else in this city of Philadelphia can you cook and eat with people from all over, different races, different faiths, different economic backgrounds, different abilities, and just break bread together around the table and have a great time. So the biggest changes that I have seen with Brody, I would say the lead dog of that is confidence. The next change I have seen is a willingness to eat new foods, which I never thought would be possible. Now he knows what a spatula looks like. Now he knows what a hand mixer looks like, which is so fun to use.
Yes. We have it.
Yeah. And now he's willing to find these items in our drawers at home and explore new recipes together with us as a family.
We make pizza.
We make pizzas with Daddy, and we use fresh veggies and herbs now, which we didn't use before. It just wasn't always top of mind.
I did a workshop.
The confidence has just soared. I mean confidence in being able to talk to strangers, make a conversation, have an interaction, ask a question if you're not sure about something. Once the cooking and the eating has taken place, he's still chatty Charlie. And he that enthusiasm and that confidence continues once we leave. What else did you learn? Eating. That's a really good one because I've never seen him eat broccoli before.
Carrots.
And carrots. What else?
Onions.
Onions.
Peppers.
Green beans.
Yes.
Watermelon juice and all sorts of stuff. I really think he takes pride in eating new foods now, which was never the case. before. If he's vested in cooking in it, then it makes it that much fun to
eat.
Right. I think he's just happy coming here. I think, it sounds pretty simplistic, but it's really true. He's very happy and always willing to come. It's never like, oh, I don't want to go to Cooking Mom. He's always excited to put his apron on and put his glove on and start chopping away.
Thank you, Vetri Community Partnership. The last time we do Food Network. Look like it.
Oh, it felt like Chopped on Food Network.
Yes.
We watch a lot of Food Network.